Hey guys, I'm doing Mr. H. I'm going to do the problem on page number 20. And I decided I wanted to do another one of these because it has that that's asking you for the exact value. When it says exact, that means you can't have decimals. The question doesn't want you to use decimals. So let's go. Let's write the equation. It's going to be 6x squared minus 42 equals 0. Now what I'm going to do is the a term is 6. There is no x term, so we would put a 0 in there for b, and then the negative 42 is the constant that would go in for c. And then again, so the b term is 0, so I'm going to put 0 in there. And then the a term is 6. The c term is a negative 42. Down here, the a term is 6. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like if you try to calculate this. So I'm going to use the calculator, and let's see here. What do we have? So I'm going to store 6 into A, 6, store it into A. I'm going to store 0 into B, and then I'm going to store a negative 42 in for C. Press enter. All right, now I can just go and use the formula that's already been used, and then I press enter, and I get a irrational root. And so the question has said, I don't want decimals, I want the exact value. So that means that just like we did in question number 11 or question number 12, and I'm going to put a link in here and link to question number 12, I have to go back and just look at this part inside of the square root. So I'm just going to type in b squared minus 4a times c. Dang, it's not typing. B squared minus 4 times a times c. And I press enter, and it tells me that this number inside the square root is 1,008. So that's what I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave the square root part as 1,008. So if I go to my paper, my answer, I'm going to make this a little bigger, is going to be x equals plus or minus 1,008 over 12. That's 2 times 6 is 12. These are zeros, so I didn't put that there. But everything inside here is going to add up to 1,008. That's my answer. That would get me 2 points if I were able to not only come up with the answer, but leave it as a fraction. So this would be what you needed to do, and that's pretty much it. So I'm done with the problems that I was going to do from the packet. If you have any questions about any of the videos, or if there's one that you want me to do, I can do that as well. But I think we're done. Please let me know if there's something that is still confusing to you. I know quadratic formula can get a little tricky. There's a bunch of different things that happen. Sometimes there's some nuances that you got to be careful of. But so just let me know. So gonna stop this and post it, and hope you guys find this helpful.